So, because I value transparency and showing my complete honesty when it comes to trading, because I think it's very valuable, because people will be able to relate with the ups and the downs that I'm going through with trading. Today, just did a recap. I was up positive $8, and then I went to the gym. I came back, and I I just sat down. I immediately turned on the computer. I saw Gamestop ripping up. I missed this rip from here. Okay, this is really starting to hurt. This is really. I'm gonna have to hold it. I'm completely naked, by the way. Um, I'm definitely, when I upload this video, I'm gonna make sure this video is not made for kids. Um, but yeah. So I completely missed this breakout here, and I thought that I don't know. I didn't really want to trade, and then I saw it go rip up on this candle, and then it pulled back, and then I saw it rip back up, and then it fucking just went like $20 a share. And of course, this is me. This is where I get in. This I get in all the way at the high. 5 shares ready for the break of 25, and then it pulls back. I lose $4 a share. That's $20, and then I get back in with 10 shares out of just frustration. I double my position, or I double my bet to 10 shares. So that's a $2,100 position size. And I was able, thank God, to just sell at the right time. I had one 50-cent winner, and then another, I had 10-cent per share winner, and then I took the rest off for like maybe like a 70-cent winner. And I was able to make back a little bit of what I lost, but still down. I lost $15 on this trade, and then down here, I was buying. I wanted to buy down here, and I completely missed it. And then here, and I talk like when it's a good setup, I talk myself out of it because I mean, right here, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm like, I'm already down, I'm red, and like I shouldn't even be trading. But then it works out, and then I get FOMO, and then I want to jump back in, and then I lose the money. Some days it's better off. Today is my off day. Today I don't work, which is why I traded past my usual 11 o'clock. But now that I'm realizing it, the days that I do work are the days that I do consistently well on, because I'm consistently making money between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock in the morning and before I go to work. But if I trade after that, or if I leave and go do something and come back for power hour, and I went go trade some more, I'm in a completely different headspace. I'm already thinking negatively, like, okay, well, I already made this much on the day. Like, I don't want to give anything back. I don't want to come back into the market and then completely erase all of the work that I just did in the morning. And so I'm coming at it from a very negative, glass half full type of mindset, and it's really messing with my trades because I'm getting faked out easily, and I don't let my winners run long enough, and it's just a complete mess. Um, so I mean, in this case, it would have been better. I would have been better off if I just stopped at 11 o'clock and just gone to the beach, go to the gym, and just be on with my day. But I was off today, so I couldn't help myself. I had to sit in front of the computer and just. I literally pulled this up. I was like, okay, I'm not going to trade this. I just want to watch. And then 5 seconds later, I'm placing a $2,000 order at 225. It's ridiculous. Sometimes I just can't help myself. That was just a pure gamble. Who would buy up here? Why do I? It's easy to get frustrated on this. Very easy to get frustrated. And then I was like, whatever, I broke the ice. Now I got to start trading. And then I go into BPTH and completely fumble a football on this one. Oh, Jesus. completely fumble the football. I tried buying this dip for to see some continuation. Didn't see any continuation. Cut the loss. Then it came back up to this level at 88. Kissed that 88 level, pulled back. I was buying on this pullback and then adding more on the dip, and then I just flushed down to the 70s, and I was like, you know what, gotta cut it. And there goes another $5 on the day, and then at this point, I'm down $13. I went from my highest today, I was up plus $12 on the day, and then I just kept giving back profit, and now I'm negative. And it's just very frustrating because this morning there were so many good opportunities that I couldn't capitalize on. And if I could have capitalized on those and nailed those plays, I probably wouldn't have. I don't know if I could say that, but I probably would still be in the green by now at this point. At the end of the day, it sucks because I feel like today should have been a green day, but I just couldn't execute my plays, and it's just something I need to work on. In the grand scheme of things, this is nothing. I'll be able to bounce back from this. Like it's barely even a loss. So I don't know. I'm just frustrated because there was opportunities that I couldn't capitalize on, and that I didn't just place the trade and follow through all the way. I left a lot of money on the table. But what was I gonna say? In the grand scheme of things, this is really nothing. When I get to like placing bigger share size, like let's say when I'm trading like $6,000 to $10,000 per trade, $13 is irrelevant. It's like almost like a scratch trade. And so I just have to get perspective because down the road, maybe a year or 2 years from now, and if I'm trading $10,000 for my position size, $13 is completely irrelevant. And like it's if I make or lose $13, it's pretty much a scratch trade. And at that point, I'd be looking for hundreds of dollars in profit or hundreds of dollars in losses that would actually make an impact on my profit and loss, my profit curve. But right now, because I'm on such a low share size, $13, I mean, isn't a decent loss. I mean, it's not a super small loss because like I've been trading only like 10, 20, 30, 40 shares, 50 shares. $13 is like maybe I lost a couple percent out of the position size that I had. Maybe I had like a $300 position. Let's see. Well, 2,000. I had a $2,000 position, or no, five. I had 5 shares at 223. It's 1,115, and I lost like 23, I think. 23. Let's say 21. Just I think it's around in that area, between 20 and 23 that I lost. Actually, I can probably do the math. GME. So 5 at 220, no, 5 for $4 a share is sold at 220. So I lost $3.50, 350 cents times 5. Huh. It was like 365 divided times 5 shares. 18. That's at $18? No way. No way. Okay, so I lost $18 out of a 120 1,120. So I lost 1.6%. So I mean, it's really not that much. I'm bugging right now. It's just hard just to go from green to red, and like I should have just like never came back to the market. It's like the worst feeling ever. That's why I think like maybe I should my rule should be when I walk away after trading in the morning, I will not come back to trade because it's just I'm gonna come back and I'm already gonna be in a mindset of fearing that I'm gonna lose all the profit that I've made in the morning, and so that's just bad. So I didn't even hit my max loss. My max loss is like $25. It's like my average green day. That's what has been my average green day the past maybe month or two. So this is really nothing, but it just sucks to have him come back and lose some money. Um, but yeah, I think now I maybe should go put on some clothes. I just got back from the beach. The waves are kind of nice here in South Florida today. I don't know why. The lifeguard was whistling at me because I was out so far. I don't know why, but I just ignored him because I think I'm an experienced swimmer, and I think I can handle it. Uh, but South Florida don't really get too many good like rough waves, so the people here aren't used to having big waves, and so I can see how the lifeguards are a little bit more cautious. Uh, but I'm from New Jersey. I went to the New Jersey beach all the time, like Wildwood, and those waves are. It could get really rough up there, so I'm used to surfing and boogie boarding these rough waves, and so I I think that fared well for me today because it was just very rough out there, and the lifeguard thought I was like an inexperienced swimmer. So, but yeah, that's besides the point. Um, so that's it. I mean, down 13.25 today. Tomorrow, new day. Hopefully, I can be in a better headspace and capitalize on some opportunity and add into my winners and only take my profits when I have strong conviction or signals that the price is reversing or there's no more buyers stepping up to push it up. Uh, there was some really good opportunity today, but I wasn't able to get it. So that's it. Red day today. This is what it is. Come back tomorrow swinging. Hopefully, you guys are doing well trading. And please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.